Hello everyone, we are discussing the VARC part of slot 2 of CAT 2020 paper, and let's see how question number 21 can be solved. So question number 21 is a very simple para-jumble question. The instructions say the four sentences labeled 1, 2, 3, 4 below, when properly sequenced, would yield a coherent paragraph. Decide on the proper sequencing of the order of the sentences and key in the sequence of the four numbers as your answer. So this is a typical para-jumble question. Let's see how this question can be solved. So the first step in solving a para-jumble question after we've done the scanning and established the main idea is to find the opening sentence of the passage. So let's read the sentences one by one and see if they can be the opening sentence of the passage. So first one, it also has four movable auxiliary telescopes 1.8 meter in diameter. So immediately we should recognize that there is a pronoun. Pronoun it usually has an antecedent, not necessarily, it usually has an antecedent. So let's keep it aside and see if it can refer to any noun back in the passage. Then this cannot be your opening sentence. Okay, second statement says completed in 2006 the very large telescope. These are capitalized, and this is the telescope that we are talking about in the rest of the passage. So this is the first time we've introduced this particular noun, very large telescope, in statement number 2. Has four reflecting telescopes 8.2 meter in diameter that can observe objects 4 billion times weaker than can normally be seen with the naked eye. So there is no connector, there is no transition word. It's a fairly general statement and it introduces the main noun in the passage for the first time. So this can be very safely our opening sentence for the passage. Let's check the other two as well. Third one says this configuration enables one to distinguish an astronaut on the moon. So this configuration, there is a connector. We do not know what configuration we have talked about so far. So third cannot be your opening sentence. It needs something that precedes this statement. Fourth one is when these are combined with the large telescopes. Again, we have spotted a connector here. When these are combined with the large telescope. So these is not accounted for. So that's why this cannot be your opening sentence. So second should be your opening sentence, right? For all the reasons that we've already discussed. So second should be your opening sentence. Now from second we can go to fourth. This configuration can also be your connecting sentence. We can go to fourth as well, or we can go to one. Right? If we go to third one or fourth one, if we go to fourth one can also connect to second one. But then we realize that first one has a pronoun it. The only sentence which has a noun which this it can refer back to is the second one. So it needs a singular noun, whereas in third and fourth we do not have a singular noun. So the only sentence which has a singular noun is the VLT, very large telescope. This is a singular noun. So if we do not use one immediately after two, then we cannot come back to one because it will have no antecedent, isn't it? So after second statement we have to place first. So 2 and 1 become a link. 1 has it, which talks about the telescope. So apart from having four reflecting telescopes 8.2 m in diameter, it also has four movable auxiliary telescopes 1.8 meter in diameter. Okay, so 2 and 1 is the link. After 2 and 1, both these sentences together tell you how there are a few bigger ones and there are four smaller ones. So when these are combined with the large telescopes, right? Now the large telescopes will be the one that we find in second one. The smaller ones are the one that we find in first one. So when we have, when this pronoun that we find in fourth one should refer back to the smaller ones that we have in the first one. This is another reason why fourth cannot immediately follow 2. Fourth has to come after 1 because it has a reference to these smaller telescopes, the auxiliary telescopes. Okay, so when these auxiliary telescopes, the smaller ones, are combined with the large telescopes, they produce what is called interferometry, a simulation of the power of mirror 16 meter in diameter. And together 2, 1 and 4 together. This idea is the antecedent for this pronoun in the third statement. Okay, so we've been talking about the configuration. We've been talking about the configuration in second one, first one and fourth one, and together then this configuration is being referred back to in statement 3, which says this configuration enables one to distinguish an astronaut on the moon. It makes it very precise and powerful telescope. All right, so third one will be your concluding statement. So your answer for this question, which is not very difficult to solve, is 2, 1, 4, 3.